Hey, I'm Max, and I am here to give you the 411 on depreciation. Let's say you have a piece of land, and on that land, you build an apartment building. The roof, the plumbing, the windows, and the mechanicals of the building will wear out over time. And just like a car, the building also loses value. The IRS decided that the useful life of an apartment building is 27.5 years. And here is the good news. The IRS allows you to deduct a portion of your building's waning value every year on your taxes. That annual deduction is called depreciation. Let me give you an example of how the math works. The IRS says the land is worth $100,000 and the building is worth $400,000. You take the value of the building, not the land, because the land doesn't lose value, and divide the $400,000 by 27.5. That equals roughly $14,500. This is your annual depreciation. This is the amount you get to reduce your taxable income by without spending a single dime out of pocket. If you own the building for 15 years, you would have written off up to $217,500 in total depreciation deductions. If you want to know more about how depreciation affects your specific building, reach out to your favorite realtor, Latuszek. He'd be happy to walk through the numbers with you, and check out his website at realtormarkl.com.